CASABREWS 20-bar espresso machine review, a compact powerhouse for home baristas. If you're looking for a stylish and compact espresso machine that delivers barista-quality coffee, the CASABREWS 20-bar espresso machine might be the perfect fit. Designed for home and office use, this machine offers professional-grade 20-bar pressure, a powerful 1350W motor, and a built-in milk frother to create delicious cappuccinos, lattes, and macchiatos. Performance and features. With its 20-bar Italian pump, this semi-automatic espresso maker ensures optimal coffee extraction, resulting in rich crema and bold flavor. The pressure gauge helps fine-tune your brew, giving you complete control over the espresso making process. The steam wand is powerful enough to create silky microfoam, allowing for impressive latte art at home. The 34 ounces removable water tank supports multiple brews without frequent refilling, and the compact stainless steel design makes it an elegant addition to any kitchen. Pros and cons. Pros. Powerful 20-bar pressure for rich espresso. Compact and stylish stainless steel design. Milk frother for creamy cappuccinos and lattes. Removable water tank and reusable filters. Cons. Requires cooling down after milk frothing. Manual adjustments are needed for pressure settings. The CASABREWS espresso machine is a great choice for beginners and coffee lovers seeking an affordable yet high-performance espresso maker. With its compact size, professional features, and stylish design, it's a solid investment for home baristas. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.